And let's talk. It's a dark morning out there, and I'm already seeing some movement, some dancing, some supporters, I imagine. Talk to us about the activity outside the court.
Yeah, very good morning to you, Leanne. I do apologize, I can't hear you there, but it's just after 6, and as you can hear possibly behind me, Pietermaritzburg is already abuzz with the Zuma supporters that have gathered here outside the Pietermaritzburg High Court. They had a visual last night which lasted throughout the night, and as you can possibly hear and see behind me, the people have already started turning out here in their numbers to show support for the former president. Of course, we're expecting that inside court, gates are still closed. The proceedings are going to start at around 9 a.m. this morning, and we expect that the president, or the former president rather, he is expected to arrive just shortly before that. Remember last time that he arrived about an hour or so ahead of time, had a few minutes to meet with his legal team. And speaking of his legal team, we know that this time, Leanne, he has terminated the services of veteran defense counsel, Mr. Advocate Kemp J. Kemp, and he has a new defense team. So we'll be interesting to find out more about that team later on today. We're going to be, of course, giving you all the latest coverage of the former president's appearance here this morning. A lot that we are expecting inside court. Yesterday, we spoke to a legal expert just to get a sense of what we can expect today, and what we were told that it could again be a brief appearance. We are expecting that it could be a postponement once again because of the new defense team, that they may request time from the court to familiarize themselves with the case. Of course, we do know that he was also seeking a review application. Whether or not that will formally be made in court today, we'll wait and see. Of course, the French arms company Thales, which is his co-accused, the NPA announcing that they'd rejected their representations, and again we'll get to find out today whether or not the team representing Thales, whether or not they will also make an application to review that NPA decision. So a lot that we're expecting inside court, but of course also outside court has now become somewhat of a tradition. Zuma supporters coming out in their numbers. There is going to be a short walk from Dales Park, which I understand is about 2 or so kilometers from where we are. They will then make their way here to the court. But we are here, and we will be giving you all the coverage from the Pietermaritzburg High Court. It's back to you, Leanne.
All right, Ayanda, thank you very, very much for that update. And as you can imagine, it's going to be a very busy day this morning, and Ayanda will be keeping us up to date with all of it.